Hi and welcome students. In this Microsoft Publisher 2016 tutorial, I'm going to show you how to word wrap text. Let's get started. So I have a brochure that's showing right here, and I'm going to be focusing on this section right under camping and hiking. So I'll zoom in on that, and I'm going to paste some text in here. Now, brochures are very important because you have to remember that there's going to be a fold right here on your paper. And so one of the things that you'll want to do on a brochure is to make sure that your text is wrapping properly, and specifically when it comes to the margins on the left side and the right side. You'll notice that when I entered this text in, that the left side is aligned, but the right side is not aligned. There is a way to align your text and justify it on both sides. So one of the things you could do is highlight the section, or you could click on the border to select the placeholder. Either one, they do the same thing. But I'm going to do a Control A in my text here to select all of it. And then what I'm going to do is justify my text, which will change this text to wrap equally on both sides. Now it won't add any extra spaces in, and I'm going to show the paragraph markers just to show that. There's a space in between every word. But if I go right here to the Home tab, Paragraph Group, and I click on Justify, this will distribute your text evenly between the margins. Justified text gives your document a clean, crisp edges, or gives it clean, crisp edges so it looks more polished. And I'll click on that right now and you'll see the difference. And notice that it did not add any spaces in, but rather just some space in between some of the words. So now it's perfectly aligned on the left and on the right side. So that's how you justify your text within your columns on Microsoft Publisher 2016. Hopefully this video has helped you and explains a little bit more about how your margins should be aligned on brochures. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please put it into the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond to you. Thanks again for watching and have a good day.